Yo, yo, YouTube, what's the word, y'all? It's your boy Moonbound Crypto signing back live with another one. We got uh, we got some things to talk about today. So they said no. Royalty said no. When I'm saying, what I'm talking about is Microsoft. They didn't go with Bitcoin. Like we've been waiting to see if they was gonna go with it. They didn't go. But there's a glimmer of hope. Like it's not over. It's not over. I didn't find no links, but I did find a video. Um I'm gonna play the clip. I'm gonna play the clip. I want y'all to give like I want y'all to hear this information. Maybe y'all could read through the read in between the lines, like me. Um and yeah, let's dig in, y'all. If I put up my chat though, let me put up my chat. Unity, what's the word? Zico, what's the word? So let me go over here.
Current, it's only 3 weeks ago, and it will explain why Microsoft could be choosing ETH as the track. Take a look.
Again, I'm Karen Scarborough. I lead the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance's executive director right now. And in my day job,
Choosing ETH. This will be a little bit more current. It's only 3 weeks ago, and it will explain why Microsoft could be choosing ETH
This
as the
so this
track.
video happened 3 weeks
again,
ago.
I'm Karen Scarborough. I lead the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance's executive director right now. And in my day job, I work for Microsoft. So I have a very good hand on how some of the largest enterprises are viewing Ethereum today. We were actually an organization started way back in 2017. And Ethereum actually put together the largest consortiums of companies to be able to start acting on that activity. And ultimately, our goal is to make it so clear for business that whenever they choose to do business in Web3, Ethereum and the Layer 2 ecosystem is the very clear choice that they choose to go with. Now it is 100% public Ethereum base. That is our recommendation and our strong point of view to the enterprise ecosystem is to choose public Ethereum for where you want to build. Our membership rate is increasing at a all-time high at this point. We have the likes of Microsoft, EY, JP Morgan, Santander on the Web 2 side. We have strongly articulated points of view. We are not coming in with, well, maybe choose this ecosystem, maybe choose that. We are Ethereum based and want to give clarity to the enterprise ecosystem to join us in doing that.
What is your take on Microsoft?
So y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. You know what I mean? I think this is huge. Like I just found this video yesterday. So it seems that Microsoft is leaning more towards Ethereum. A couple indicators I just want to show you, like during this presentation, like you see the symbol down here, it looks like Ethereum. You know what I mean? Events and meetings, the Ethereum community, where it is. Like you know what I mean? Like they're really built on it. I guess they're going to go with Ethereum. I guess this was a proposal to for them to actually go with Bitcoin, but I guess they already have. I guess royalty already has their eyes set on Ethereum. And guess what, you guys? Yo, we are the Martians. You hear me? We the Martians, and we are built on Ethereum. Listen, it's a win-win situation now. Like I just wanted to show y'all that. Like, you know what I mean? I couldn't really find no link, but I had to read in between the lines. You know, I found a video. It's a current video. It's not that old, but this video of her, on stage is a couple months old. But this is still relevant because most likely this video was made in 2024. So yeah, so everything's not bad. It's not the worst case. The world ain't over. I hope y'all still holding. I mean, I hope y'all still locked in. But yeah, let me go over to my X. So Dogelon Mars was active. Dogelon Mars is very active lately. So we gonna look at what Dogelon Mars said. So he dropped this yesterday. I ain't really get a chance to look at it, but there's a lot of symbols in here. There was a couple clues. We're gonna go over the clues. The the one thing that I mainly see is that there's three flames going over these three beakers. So maybe we're maybe we're definitely gonna burn three zeros. You feel me? He's saying experimenting, but it's looking good. But there was a couple clues I wanted to show you guys. So this was one clue. They talking about pulse change, like like maybe we're going to be integrated into the pulse chain ecosystem because of that symbol that was in the picture. That's one clue. This was another clue. Well, shout out to the person that's first council of Elon. Shout out to them for finding that clue. Shout out to Crypto Loser. Maybe we might be integrated into the Cosmos ecosystem. Why not? You feel me? Shout out to Crypto Loser. Shout out to Crypto Loser again. We might be integrated into the XRP ecosystem. It's possible off of that symbol right there. And also, we got Gemini being bullish again. They talking about gear up for interplanetary holiday. They talking interplanetary again, and you see what's on the shirt: Mars Safari. You already know we're dogging on Mars, but you know, incoming God candle, incoming. Like, nah, I mean, just stay down. If you just got to the party, it's okay. You didn't buy a top. If you bought it, like, if you want to say you bought a top, just your excuse is you bought a micro top at this point. It's not the word. It's not the end of the world for you because of where you actually bought your tokens and this, in this position in the market. You actually did yourself some justice by getting on board before it was too late, actually. So don't say you got wrecked. You didn't get wrecked. You got exposed to crypto. That's all that happened. But you actually got a good project. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, you should, like, there's no fear. Like, nah, I mean, you actually got like a couple more months. You just got to the party. It's actually gonna get good. All right, I shared that stuff yesterday. Let's go check the scoreboard. So we're pulling back. We're still in greed. We're at a 73. I'll take it. You know what I mean? Not really worried. The market is just priming for another. The market is just priming for another, spike. If you was to ask me, I think we're just gearing up for another, move to the upside. Because me personally, even if we do go down a little bit lower, I still wouldn't be afraid because we literally look, look, y'all. There's a golden pocket for all the new guys. There's a golden pocket. It's after the Bitcoin halving and before the the presidential elections. This is all information that I learned. That's the golden pocket. If you right now you're buying a little bit after the presidential elections. You're kind of in the FOMO. You're we're going into FOMO territory, but not yet. You're good. So as long as you got your Dogelon Mars in this pocket, the next move up, you're going to be sitting pretty. So you got to go through the volatile movements right now. You know what I mean? Because you can't say, I don't believe the bull run is going to go through the summertime. I don't believe the money's going to be on the table during the summertime. No, I don't believe that. Everyone's going to their private island. I don't see it. You feel me? So that's why I'm saying I believe the end of the bull run is going to be before 2025 summertime. It's going to be over before it get hot out because now everyone's going to see, all the success stories. So now everyone's going to have to, buy the eternal dip, and they're all going to get washed. If you're not in right now, it's curtains for you. Um, if you don't know, like you feel me, we got huge entities about to get into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like the game's about to change. If you don't got no, like I don't even got that much. Like you feel me, I'm just trying to get my feet wet. That way I could grow over time. But that's the best case scenario. That should be your best case scenario too. Like you feel me, if you just now getting here, if you just trying to understand stuff, like just stay down. You feel me? I don't know. I don't really know what else much to tell you because it's clearly going to happen. It's clearly going to happen. We're going to, find support. We're going to find resistance. We're about to do that. But before I do that, I want to let you know that you're running out of time. We're gonna go over why you're running out of time, but we're gonna say that to the end. But right now, we're going to, try to find some resistance, try to find some support, and take this joint day by day. You shouldn't leave. You shouldn't leave the markets anyway because this is the new frontier, and we're gonna get rich together. You feel me? We're gonna get rich together, and it's gonna be lit. You feel me? And it's really about to happen any day. We're in the yellow region, but enough of all that talking, man. Let's try to find some resistance. So Bitcoin, wow. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin's doing good. 99K, Ethereum's doing good. 3,700, it's looking good. It's looking good. I ain't even mad. I see that Ethereum held that 37, that 3,500. I like it. I like it. Let's see. Let's go look on Ethereum real quick. See what's going on. So Ethereum is up 4% on the day. Okay. Down 1% on the week. Okay. Monthly up 18% on the month. And on the year up 70%. Still didn't take out all-time highs of it didn't take I mean it came close. I don't know if it took it out though. 4,000. I guess that's our resistance. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. It's the muffin. doing it like that? All right, so we gotta stay over. So Ethereum gotta stay over this 618 right now. You know, we gotta stay over this 618. I'm about to mark the 618 right now. All right, so we gotta stay over that, but we definitely gotta take out our all-time highs. We gotta take out our all-time highs, which is right there. It's gonna turn them purple. All right. Once we take out all-time highs, we are on our way to securing our bloodline. All right, we're on our way, but we definitely can't go back. Ethereum can't drop below our 618. Why did I take that off? Uh, and that's what it, but this is on the monthly. I don't care what Ethereum does in between the purple and the black line. I don't care. I just don't want Ethereum to go below the 618, which is like 3500. I mean 3500, 3400. As long as we doing that, we're good to keep on trending up. Like, you feel me? I don't know when that move is going to come to put us over this purple line, but this is where Ethereum has to go. So everyone just, stay 10 toes. We're built on Ethereum. It seems like Microsoft is more leaning towards Ethereum. So this is definitely bullish case for our scenario, since we're an Ethereum project. So I think everything is going to play out. I think everything is going to play out, y'all. But in the weekly, we're still good. We still didn't go back below our 618. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So Ethereum is doing this thing. Let it continue to do its thing. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like it. We got support, and we know what our resistance is. You know what I mean? We gotta get above 4,800. We gotta get above 4,800. Y'all see it? It's in purple. It's the purple line. That's our resistance. That's our resistance and our all-time high. Like, that's not a major move. Like, we're pretty much at we're all right. We're sitting at 3,800. It's not a crazy. It's not a big move from where we at now to our all-time highs. Like, I don't even know how much of a percent that is. Let me look it up. That's 30%, y'all. And that doesn't mean it's game over. That doesn't mean once Ethereum gets to 4,800, it's game over. This is going to be when things really get crazy. This is why you want to buy at these levels. You did not get wrecked, because in the grand scheme of things, you bought Dogelon Mars at the low, and you bought Dogelon Mars before Ethereum reached its all-time highs. This is good. You bought, yes, you, yes, okay, yes, Bitcoin's been running, but Bitcoin pushed the whole market. Dogelon Mars is built on Ethereum, so you bought Dogelon Mars before Ethereum reached its all-time highs again. That's good, because I really don't see Ethereum breaking its 618. If it breaks the 618, I feel like we're in trouble. Let's go over to Bitcoin now. Let's go over to Bitcoin, see what's going over on Bitcoin. Wow. So Bitcoin just shot back up to 100K. Won't you look at that? So Bitcoin's at up 4% on the day. On the week, up 5% on the week. On the month, up 20% on the month. Year, up 140%. So Bitcoin is still on its tear, definitely trending higher. I like it. I like it. Bitcoin hasn't reached none of our support lines. Let me just paint it out for you. Like, this is definitely looking good, definitely looking bullish. So let me go to the weekly chart. Like, so Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart. Bitcoin definitely didn't even come close to touching its 618. Our support's going to be black. And our resistance right now is 104K. So listen, we need Ethereum. I know we need Ethereum to be above 4K, but we need to stop playing with 4K. We just need to be trading at Ethereum at a high, you know, 4800, 4700. Like, once we break the purple lines, y'all, Dogelon Mars is going to be extremely bullish. It's going to be extremely bullish. Like, this is not the end of the bull run. This is not the end of the bull run. We need both of these projects. We need Ethereum. We pretty need both halves of the compass to be trading higher. These are the levels that we're currently trading at. I don't see neither one of them breaking their 618. If they do break their 618, we're in trouble. But I really don't see that. I see everything is about to really take off. Let me look at some indicators on Bitcoin. Let me look at it a little bit, because Bitcoin is doing so good. So let's try to find some bad news. You know what I mean, on Bitcoin right now. Let's try to find some bad news. So on the monthly, the regular RSI is still in oversold territory. Pardon myself. The regular RSI is still in overbought territory, but still don't have, that strong movement to go down yet. So it's looking bullish. We could have another push up. The stock RSI, like, just broke into overbought territory. And it doesn't show any type of like weakness to go back down anytime soon. So we could have another pump up any day now. And this is on the monthly chart, mind you. On the weekly chart, the regular RSI is trading parallel to the bears in overbought territory. It's looking like it's curving down, but it's still up there just coasting. I like it. And on a stock or a side, we're getting tangled with the bears inside the overbought territory. Could we have another push down or up? Your guess is as good as mine. If I look, even if I try to zoom in, it's it just looks like they're fighting. It's just like I don't know. It's the weekly chart. It's just tangled up there. I don't know. Like it looks like more blue on the bottom half than the top half though. But your guess is good as mine. But the monthly chart is looking extremely bullish. Now let's go look at Dogelon. Let's go look at Dogelon. Dogelon sitting at 604. This is what I like to see. Up 5% on the day. Let's go. Up 10% on the week. Let's go. Had a sell up. Man, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Y'all seen it run up and someone took profit. Someone ate swell. Cut them down swell. Like, and the reason, like, yo, most likely the people that got cut down recently, the people that been buying the green region, we ain't feel it. It's just a little volatility. It's the people that just got in that cut down. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry that happened to you, but if you've been here, you would have been protected because your price average would have been way down low. You feel me? Your price average would have been really low. Like, I don't, there's some people, there's some people with like a lot of motion. A lot of motion. You feel me? And it looks good. I definitely like that. I definitely like that dip. That dip was definitely unique. But yeah, man, lock in, man. Lock in, man. Lock in. On the month, down 2% on the month. Yeah, we in the red. Buy the red to get ahead, y'all. We're trading up here in these yellow regions. We all right. On the year, up 30%. I'll take it. Still got to take out those local highs. You feel me? This is why. This is another reason why you want to buy Dogelon malls right now. Once we go past our local highs, oh, it's curtains. I'm gonna feel bad for you because if you think, listen, there's some monsters in here. All right. If you think this was bad, imagine what the type of people that are being born in this space are going to do once we blow past our local highs. That's why I'm saying, even I'm going to be eating. I ain't going to hold you. Yeah, I ain't going to hold you. Like, it's going to be real. So definitely get your bags up because you don't want to be cut down. Now, I mean, welcome. Welcome. But this is only the beginning. Because we all the way down here. And you see, we're starting to trade highs. So it could happen any day. But let's find some support. Because we're still trading low. Let's try to find some micro support. Why is it so zoomed in? Yeah, let's just go to the week. Oh, I was zoomed in like crazy. Alright. So this is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Pulling off our local highs. So this is definitely on the micro scale for your information. This ain't the grand scheme of things. You already know we're riding all the way on the bottom, and we're about to take off. So we, as you see on the micro scale, we got rejected at our 618. You feel me? Right here. Tweaking. Let's turn that one black. Because that 618 is black. We need to turn our 618 into support. And we need to get over our one, which is and our one is only our local all-time highs. This is our local all-time highs. Because once we get over that, then we can really start moving. So once Bitcoin get past 104K, once Ethereum get past 4,400, I really believe we're going to turn our weekly 618, which is 603. We're going to turn that into our support, and then we're going to start fighting to take out our local all-time highs of 604. If we could take out this much of a percent move, I believe our next, like, we have to put in a stronger move and start trading higher, y'all. Because there's not much room unless Dogelon Mars is just going to trade at these levels until the last very second. I don't know. I can't predict the future. But in the grand scheme of things, let's say, you know, we get up to the purple line. From where we at right now, I don't know how much of a move that is. From where we at right now to the purple line, that's a 70% move, 67%. You feel me? Just to get to 604. Just to get to 604. But as you see in the grand scheme of things, it's still on the micro scale. This is why you want to have your Dogelon Mars down here. This is why you want to have your Dogelon Mars down here, y'all. If I pull it over, this is the weekly chart. Let me go to the monthly. Yeah, this is what I want to show you. See, look. Even with our micro Fibonacci chart, maxed out, you feel me? Maxed all the way out. It still doesn't take us to our all-time highs. This is Dogelon Mars zoomed out. So even if we max out on our micro chart, when I say our micro chart, this is this rainbow stuff over here. This is the Fibonacci retracement right here. Like, let's say we take out this bull run. These are like this should be like your selling prices, because you don't want to be caught bag holding, and right now you're buying Dogelon Mars for the cheap. You really are. You don't want to miss this. Don't be like, oh, listen, you just seen us pump twice within the last couple months, and the bull run is about to be over. It's really about to be over, and you just don't, like, you don't want to miss this big candle right here that's about to show up any day now. I That's 500% move. And that puts us at 5011. A 500% move puts us at 5011. Let's turn that to. Oh my goodness. Nah, I'm looking for this joint. We in the money at that point. 5011. Let's let's throw that in the calculator. You know what I mean? Let's throw that in the calculator real quick. Say you hold 5 months, we get a 500% move. All right, you've been accumulating. Say you got a cool 2 billion times point five zeros. It's 2 racks. That's 2 racks, and that's not even all-time highs. Right now, 2 billion probably costs you like what like maybe what like $300, something like that. Your $300 turning into 2 racks for you holding for 3 months. That's a win. That's a win in my book. Tell me if I'm blind. Like, listen, we all can't make the same. But if you actually grow your money, if you stack your Elon tokens, you can actually have more than that. But that's just on the micro scale. That's just on the micro scale. Like, that's not really deleting 3 zeros. And that's what I really believe Dogelon Mars is going to do. 16 in the chat. What's the word, y'all? What's the word, y'all? Crypto analysis. What's up? What's the word, G? Metaphor. What's the word? Yeah, everything going good. Holly, what's the word? Maybe Microsoft is leaning towards Ethereum because it's a 10x cheaper than Bitcoin. Because no way they're buying thousands of Bitcoin at 98K. Hey, hey, that's a nice way to look at it. That's a nice way to look at it. You're right. You're right. That's a real good way to look at it. Like, I haven't even seen it that way, but it is cheaper if you look at it. And they're buying they're buying Ethereum before Ethereum hit its all-time highs. I feel like that's a smart move too. Crypto Martian, what's the word? I was walking. I was walking. I look at my phone. You're on live. This is fate. You're already, man. Good morning, G. Hello, I'm Rufus, an AI agent, aka Sentinel, in the Matrix, sent by Dogelon Mars. Yo, what's up, Rick? Crypto Head, what up, G? Ethereum, Ethereum, 35K, and Dogelon Mars at 6 zeros, at 307. 35K, that is ridiculous. If Ethereum's at 35K, like 35K, like Dogelon Mars gonna be sitting at 2 zeros. That would be ridiculous. Aaron, what's the word, G? Terry, what's up, bruh? Turbo looking good today. Ed on Mars. Blessings to us holders, just sitting patience, drinking our tea. Our time is coming. Our time is definitely coming. Any day now. Any day, Steve. I'll take partial profits whenever we get to all-time highs. I really believe we hit 308, 203. We're gonna do numbers. I just can't wait. Yo, Jake, what's the word? Morning, G. But shit, man. Shit, man. It's looking good, y'all. Like, we definitely got to get to all-time highs, though. Like, all-time highs is like on this chart it's 5026. Is that five zeros? One, two, three, four, five, 5026. Yeah, we definitely got to take some profit up there. But before I get out of here, man, so we did some technical analysis. We're holding strong. We're holding strong. Almost got a little sidetracked. Almost got a little sidetracked. So on the micro scale, on the micro scale, we gotta we gotta get above our 618, and our 618 is currently our resistance. Unfortunately, I know, but you can't. So I believe once Ethereum breaks its all-time highs, I believe that's when we're going to break our local all-time highs and potentially see a better push up, a strong move up to the upside, because I believe we don't have much time left, man. I'm serious. I don't believe we got much time left. And Dogelon Mars is going to rip with the rest of the market. But we're going to have more potential to move up. And there's going to be hella FOMO. You're not going to want to miss it. You'll probably be like, how do you know these things? And I'm going to end this joint with the compass. All right. I'm going to end this joint with the compass. If you know, you know. First half of the compass is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. The second half of the compass is the Ethereum rainbow chart. Remember, we're built on Ethereum. So even with Ethereum being at 4K, we're still trading in the steady range. There it is, zoomed in for you. This is the Ethereum rainbow chart. We're somewhere in the steady range. Hold the line. We're going to have to hold even once we break into the higher levels, because the level above us, it still says hold. Don't cheat yourselves out your millions. Now let's go over to the other half of the compass. So now we on the other half of the compass. Now we get to see our golden pocket, our Goldilocks zone. Our Goldilocks zone is the Bitcoin halving. It's each one of these blue lines is a Bitcoin halving. And there's an invisible line called the presidential election. The presidential election also happens every 4 years. You're probably more familiar with that pattern. There's another pattern which you never heard about, which is called a Bitcoin halving. Both of them happen within a couple months each other, and then after that, the crypto markets go crazy. You feel me? Right now we're trading. Bitcoin broke its all-time high. You probably be like, all right, broke its all-time high. It's over. No, that's the past. We're looking towards the future. And right now, the future is saying right now we're not even inside the red zone. The red zone says maximum bubble territory, or the orange zone that says it right there in your face. Sell, seriously sell. You guys do not be scared to buy right now, especially if you're just now coming to the table. If people have been here for a while, we're waiting for a dip. That's just us. There's people that don't care, just want to raise their price average. That's on them. I can't make you buy or sell. But one thing I can show you is where you currently at in the market and why you shouldn't fear nothing. You shouldn't fear nothing. There will be sellers once we have spikes like that. There will be sellers. But it's either dumb money or smart money that's selling. The dumb money just leave and tuck their tail, or take little profits and run, or smart money just trying to take profits but y'all call it flushing out. I think it's just massive whales just, hitting a lick, partial lick. Like if I got a $500,000 into Dogelon Mars and it goes up 100%, I am going to take some. But that's just me. Whatever it is. But we're waiting for a better pump. Trust me, we're going to get a pump that way we can eat because even if you look at these pumps, they went up and had a little retrace. Listen, we're going to be able to eat. All right. But right now at these levels, with the type of purchasing power that we have, it's just better just to hold in DCA because you see what's above you. All glory. We ain't even meet our max potential yet. Don't sell yourself short. And that's how you know where you at in the market. Ethereum one half, yellow region. Other half, Bitcoin half, yellow region. That tells me I have nothing to worry about. All I have to wait is for these red regions to just fall in my lap. Your whole life is just about to fall in your lap. All you got to do is hold. And we going to hit this lick. You know what I mean? It's going to be glorious. Yo, Crypto Brown, thank you for locking in with me, G. They gonna miss out. They smelling small 20s, yeah. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are, unfortunately. Clearly a shakeout. Dogelon back to 25. I mean, I'm not really worried. If you know, you know. You just gotta lock in. They just gotta lock in crypto analysis. Imagine selling 21 and waking up to 25. Right. Right. Like, this is why I try to show people the compass, but I don't think people watch the videos to the end. I don't know. Can't save them all. But listen, y'all. It's another day in the books, man. I love all y'all. Yo, bro, yo, sis. I love all y'all, man. Across the board. All my Martians. I love y'all, man. Lock in, man. I'm about to get up out of here. Just had a touch base. That way, we all can move as one and have a level head going through this crypto bull run together. And with that being said, I'm out this joint. Peace.